Hey guys, as we are getting towards the end of 2019, I just want to make this quick little video for you guys. Today, I'm going to give you 6 side job ideas for extra money in 2020. Side job idea number 1. Now, this side job is the job that I've made the most money out of outside of my full-time job, and that is freelancing on Upwork. If you guys are unfamiliar with Upwork, it's basically a freelancing website. There's thousands upon thousands of jobs on this website. I use this website to this day. I started last year back around August, actually. So I've been on Upwork for over a year at this point. So on Upwork, there's a bunch of different freelancing jobs. Like there's writing, there's video editing, there's customer service, there's voiceover work. You could become somebody's virtual assistant. You could help someone manage their social media page. Like if there's a huge Instagram influencer and they're like, oh, I am way too busy doing influencer stuff. I can't possibly find time out of my day to post this picture of myself and write this inspirational quote that I found on Google. So you could be that person. You could be somebody's social media manager. And if you don't want to do anything like that, there's also, like I mentioned, virtual assistant jobs. You could just manage somebody's calendar. You could also do writing. If you're a really good writer, somebody will give you a particular topic and then you could just go online, research and type and send them your essay, paragraph, whatever they're looking for. So like I said, I'll link a separate video specifically on freelancing jobs for beginners in the description below. So feel free to check that out. Side job idea number 2, and that is reselling. Now, as you guys saw in previous videos, I have been reselling on eBay. I have a couple items listed on Poshmark, and I've started selling a couple things on Facebook Marketplace. Now, all of that has slowed down since I've been preparing for the exam I've been talking about for months. And by the way, I passed. So very excited about that and going to be making a lot more videos. But reselling is a great, easy thing that you could just kind of do on the side. What you could do is you could go into a bunch of thrift stores and then you could find like a VCR and then you buy it for $5. And then the marketplace value of that VCR could be anywhere from like $30 to like $100 and something that you only purchase for $5. So all you have to do is list it on eBay and then wait for somebody to buy it. You package the item and then you ship the item and you made an easy profit. So side job idea number 3, driving or delivery services. Now, I tried these delivery services apps like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber. They're actually pretty fun, but in my area, not a bunch of people use these apps. So in the end, I just found myself kind of sitting and waiting for jobs to appear. So for my particular area, this side job wouldn't work for me. But if you work in a very highly populated area, then this could be the perfect job for you. If you want to become kind of like a taxi service, obviously go for Uber. If you just want to deliver somebody's fast food, then try out DoorDash. If you want to become somebody's personal shopper, feel free to try out Instacart. Another good grocery delivery app service is Shipt. That's the one I was actually able to use because I downloaded Instacart but wasn't able to get any clients in my area, but I actually got a few for Shipt. So highly recommend looking into those apps if you're just trying to make some extra side income. Side job idea number 4. Now, I know people that have been in my personal friend group. I've also seen people on my Facebook friends list just talking about it. A lot of people are starting their own small businesses for cleaning. Now, there's a bunch of people, who hate cleaning. I'm one of them. I hate cleaning. I would never start my own cleaning side business, but I know a bunch of people that enjoy cleaning or at least enjoy making money from cleaning. So I personally do see value in somebody offering a cleaning service. I totally would if I had the funds to just hire a cleaning person so they could come over to my house and clean it and I don't have to worry about it. What you get paid for offering cleaning services to somebody is dependent on your situation, your area, and what that person is willing to pay. I've heard people do like a full house cleaning anywhere from $60 to over $100 something for just one cleaning. So if you're at somebody's house cleaning their house and you just spend like a few hours and they pay you over $100, then I would say that is pretty well worth it for this particular service. Again, I don't like cleaning, but I've heard this is a very highly profitable area if you're willing to trade your time for money. Obviously, you'll have to work it out with your client if you're going to be paying for the cleaning supplies or if they'll just pay you extra to buy the cleaning supplies. I'm not really sure how that works out for each individual person, but definitely look into starting a cleaning service. I've seen on certain websites, like for example, care.com. This video is not sponsored by anyone, by the way, but care.com has a lot of like household cleaning jobs on there. They have elder care, they have like child care, a bunch of different jobs that you can find on care.com. I've never used it, but I was just on the website and able to find a decent amount of jobs on there. So look up the jobs in your area and start working that side job. Side job idea number 5. Now, this is a fairly new idea, at least a new concept in my area, is these dog walker apps. Now, a bunch of people have pets. Obviously, there's a need for somebody to go to their house, let the dog out, or take the dog out for a walk. So at this point, I only know of 2 dog walker apps. Right now, I know of Wag and Rover. So if you want to check out either of those apps, if you enjoy the company of dogs, or if you're terrified of dogs, this probably isn't the side job for you. Now, 6th side job idea is social media marketing. Now, there's a bunch of different things that you could do online that could help you make money through social media. For example, YouTube. My YouTube channel generates a little over like $200 a month for me at this point. I'm hoping to really scale that up in the near future, but as of right now, that's what it brings me. Back when I was in college, YouTube was my main source of income because I didn't have a real job and I was getting somewhere around like $100 to $150 a month from it. And that was enough for me to, just buy gas and buy food, because I mostly just ate on campus. But the fact that I'm able to make money off of, I'd consider YouTube a social media-esque type of website. There's a bunch of people on Instagram, like I joked about earlier, that, make money on Instagram. That's so wild. You could also make money through affiliate marketing. Now, Amazon has this great affiliate program where you could just generate an affiliate link off of any product on Amazon. And if somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase that product, you get a small little commission at no cost to the buyer. So even if you wanted to start like a YouTube channel or an Instagram page, just doing reviews of like Amazon products, like if you really know a lot about drones, then start a drone YouTube or social media page and then link that Amazon affiliate link to that drone, and whenever people buy it, you get a small little commission. So affiliate marketing isn't the easiest thing to do, but it's a very simple concept that once you grasp how to do affiliate marketing properly, then it could be a very highly profitable form of passive income. So just recapping over the list: freelancing, reselling, driver delivery apps, cleaning services, dog walker apps, and social media / affiliate marketing. If you guys have any specific questions about any of these side jobs, or would like me to go more in depth with any of these particular side jobs, let me know in the comment section below. For more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.